Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 290L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 130ps low-roof trend van spares OR repairs. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 123983. MOT, 28 July 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs perfect, bottom-end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys, parking sensors, air-con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,295. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.